koutou katoa, no mai hoki mai ki te Haohao Te Tangata, our Whangaroa Papa Hapū video series where we're talking about all things redress here in Whangaroa. Today I'm joined with our Matua Anaru kira, Matua Bill Hori, a tēnā kōrua. Really simply, Matua Bill, what is a mandate strategy?
Well, a mandate strategy is the tautoko from the people in terms of moving a process forward. In terms of the strategy that we're trying to propose for Whangaroa Hapū, we have a draft mandate strategy that we're putting out for people to comment on and to give feedback on. And it's to do with the redress process for Ngā Hapū o Whangaroa. And it is to include all the whānau of Whangaroa, wherever they live, not just in Whangaroa.
How does a mandate strategy help Hapū and whānau with decision making throughout this redress pathway?
In the Māpuna model, there is opportunity there for Hapū to elect their Hapū kai kōrero to sit on Te Whakamenenga, and with discussions with their Hapū representatives on Te Whakamenenga, they can influence the decision-making process right throughout that whole redress pathway.
What are some of the key components of a mandate strategy?
One of the key points to start off with is who is your claimant community. We have listed the Hapū who belong to Whangaroa. I think we've come up with 29 Hapū and claimants as well. They are part of the claimant community. We're trying to be as inclusive as we can in regards to how Whangaroa, Ngā Hapū of Whangaroa can input into this process.
One of the critical points in the mandate is it's in draft form. It's also, as indicates, Māpuna is projected as the new mandate body and not the Whangaroa Papa Hapū. But a critical part of that mandate is the inclusiveness of our people in how it's structured and how it will be deliberated and how it will be managed throughout the process. It's a body of people that represent Hapū. It is really important to mention that we want maximum participation by everybody concerned.
How we've got it listed is, with all the Hapū and all the Wai claimants, we understand that not everyone will want to participate in the process, and which is fine. So we have a Hapū inclusion process and a Hapū withdrawal process as well. There is also a dispute resolution in there as well. The ideal is to have everybody participate. We know that may not happen.
It's important that participation by our people, and that will mean that you will have to take time to examine the information at every level and to feedback, because it's through our feedback whether the Te Whakamenenga will know whether the mandate is heading in the right direction.
As Anaru has already mentioned, it will not be the Whangaroa Papa Hapū who will be the mandated body. It will be Māpuna, and through Hapū will be representing themselves through their Hapū representatives who sits on Te Whakamenenga.
And everybody who will be elected to be part of that process by Hapū need to bring a whole set of skills. That is really going to be a critical demand, the expectation by our own people, and of course those who are dealing with the Crown as well. Each of the processes in the mandate, which there's a number of them, but you can only put the trust in the process by the people that Hapū elect, using their own tikanga.
Where are we currently at in terms of developing Whangaroa's mandate strategy, and what steps are still ahead?
There is still a bit of work to be done to complete the draft mandate strategy. That's where it is heading to now, but it has a lot of information. Please take the time to examine it when it does go online. The draft mandate strategy will be online on our website shortly.
What's the final message that you would like to share with whānau about the draft mandate strategy?
For me, it will be that Hapū have the ultimate say in how the whole process will evolve. They are the decision makers in this process.
I think also important you share your thoughts with your whānau, whether they're at home or afar, because it's not only about us at home in Whangaroa, but it's also our whanaunga that live afar. That is going to be the critical elements of the success of this mandate strategy.
Ka nui te mihi kōrua for your whakaroa. And as always, whānau, you can join us either by following us on Facebook, on Instagram, or on YouTube. As was mentioned, the draft mandate strategy will be available up online shortly, and we'll provide the link for that in this post. We really encourage you whānau to take the time to look over it. You can always share more whakaaro with us at comms@whangaroapapahapū.org.nz. Until next time, take care, mate wā, and we'll talk to you on the next episode. Kia ora.